Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to create an Excel file with your C Sharp application using Excel library by Google Codes. So I will extend that series in this video, and in this video I will show you how to transfer your database value which we are working on. We are using MySQL database in this video series, and we have till now written so many things using MySQL database. So if you are following these videos, in this video I will show you how to transfer your database table values into an Excel file using your C Sharp application. So for example, I have this table in my database which you have seen earlier also, because I am using this same table in every database video. So I want to transfer each and every value which this data table contains in the Excel file. How can I achieve that? By using Excel library, I will show you. So if you don't know the how to create an Excel file, just go to last video, because it's very important to understand how to create the Excel library and where to add and find the Excel library DLL. So go there, and if you haven't watched that video, just watch that video, and this is just the continuation of that video. So now I have this project, and now I want to transfer the database value into the Excel file. So if you have seen the last video, I have added this Excel library in my resources, and I have added these two files, Excel library compound document format and Excel library dot spreadsheet, into my code earlier, and this also I have added right now. So just add these four Excel library imports in your code. Now just go to a form once again, and first of all I will run the program to show you something. So here in the 13th video I have shown you how to load this table using MySQL database and using this button. So I will show you the video number and title also. This is the 13th video, show database values in table or data grid view, and it's in my C Sharp Visual Studio tutorials. So I'm using the code which I have used in that video number 13, and I will just click this load table button once again, and this is the code which I have written in video number 13. So if you don't know this code, just pause this video and then copy this code once again, or otherwise watch the video number 13 and you will be able to understand how to write this code. In this code I'm going to add some new code. So all this connection is okay, all these queries are also okay. So when I run the program, it will load the values in my data grid view or table, and in this try catch, after this sda.update db database dataset line, which I have written up to video number 13, I will make a space and I will add some new lines to create and export those values in the Excel file. So I will add these 4 lines in order to export my values to that Excel file. So first of all, let's see the query. The query is select EID. So whatever your table name is, I'm basically transferring, or in a simple way I just make this thing simple, very simple, so you will not be confused. So for example, this is my query: select star from database dot your table name. Okay, this is database name and dot your table name. So I have this query. This query will take all the values from my database and show into this table if you have written this code. And now after this sda.update dataset code, write this dataset ds, this is a variable name, is equal to new dataset. Okay, and give any name to your dataset. So I have given new underscore dataset. Then copy this variable and paste it here. Dot local is equal to system dot threading dot thread dot current thread dot current culture. Write this line and then just copy your this MySQL data adopter variable, which I have written in video number 13, and paste it here. Dot fill, and just copy this data table variable, that's also I have shown you in the video number 13, and copy and paste it in this fill bracket. In the next line, write dataset, which is this variable, dot table dot add data db dataset, which is this data table variable. Okay, and then in the last, write Excel library. This is the library code from Excel library. Dot dataset helper dot create workbook, and in the bracket give any name to your Excel file. So I have given my Excel file dot xls to my file name. So if you have read the document says it can, till now it can create XLS file. So I have given my Excel file extension XLS, comma this dataset variable. So just write these 4 lines, add these 4 lines into your 13th video code, and this will create an Excel file of name my Excel file, and it will export all the values from your database into that Excel file. Okay, now I will run the program once again, and I will give username, password, and now right now this table is empty, but when I press this load table button, and it's showing invalid cell values because some of the values in the database here are missing, right? That's why, but it has loaded all the values in this table. Now let's see it has created Excel file or not. Yes, it has created an Excel file. In my project folder and here this is my solution folder. Go to inside and go to bin and go to debug, and in here it has generated my file wherever your executable file is there. So I will right click it and open it to see if it's really imported the database values, and it will show the warning, say yes. I am unable to read the values. So it is unable to read the values because some of the values are null here. Okay, so now I will try to just show employee ID, name, surname and age, because they are all complete values, and I will leave these 4 columns from showing into the Excel file because there are some null values. So I will just edit my query. First of all, I will close it and I will edit my query here. Select EID comma name comma surname and comma age. So I will show these 4 values instead of showing all the values, and all the column values from these 4 columns should go into the Excel file. Just run the program once again to and load the table once again, and this time it hasn't shown me any exception. And let's go into your folder, debug folder, and let's open this file once again and open once again the warning. So just click yes, and this time it has imported all the values from the database. So employee ID, name, surname and age, and it contains the employee ID number data till employee ID 12, and you can see in the database also it contains the data up to employee ID 12. Okay, so this data and this data, if you can match, are same. Okay, so in this way you can export your database value into the Excel sheet. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.